welcome to my channel. So I can do the attendance when we are introducing to this. I'm feeling sleepy today, so please don't interrupt with me in the comments. So we are icon and batteries right over here. You can see right over here. One thing I didn't mention, you guys. Oh, I got an extra pack of batteries. So please don't interrupt me also. So we are gonna just introduce you to Xbox. It's right over here. Wait. Oh my gosh, did the packet just flip upside down on its own? Just pick that up. And what should you do with this packet? I know something. Heat? No, that's perfect. Without interrupting. Please don't be mad. Oh my gosh, here I don't open the cap. Where's the positive? Here is the positive. Here is the, if it says positive, then just check at the battery. Here is the positive. So you put the minus here and the positive right over here. Come on, you stupid damn. And there's a minus and there's a positive. You cannot see. Positive. Because it melted. Kind of. Here's the minus. So you put the minus right over here and the positive in the opposite side. Now you take this and just put it right over here. Guys, I forgot something. Guys. I forgot something. Just wait. Now I just brought my iPad, so I said, please don't interrupt me more. Please don't think this is a laptop, it's an iPad. When I was 5 years old, I got this, and now I'm 7. I'm 7 years old, and how am I doing this? I don't know. Obviously, I have a cameraman, also known as my... So, not in the App Store. So you can just see here, go to the settings, and just on that in power mode. Here. It's blinking, it means it's gonna connect. Then go to Bluetooth, and I forgot to on my Bluetooth. Here's just click. And so, does it work? What the hell? So you just what? Oh no, there's one of just I put the Bluetooth on the TV. Oh yes, does it work now? Oh, it works. Okay, just go down. You saw me play this game yesterday. This is premium. And I'm gonna show you now I'm introducing you. We have a sponsor in this video, Space Marshals. You can just fight and you can just sneak and do anything you want. So you can just click the continue button. Here is Space Marshals. We go. Here is Space Marshals. Here's the shoot button. Just guys, look. Here's the shoot button. And there is a Space Marshal 1, which also the shoot button is here, and a Space Marshal 2. So you can notice. Just look at this right now. I'm going I mode and the hit disarm. Oh! Every time I turn, it makes this sound. Click. Here is the hit disarm. Here, I'll tell you the full story. Here, it is a full story. Do I have a pistol? This is a multi-man weapon. This is our sponsor. It's very fun and very... Oh my gosh! It's very fun and my sister loves this game a lot. Shut the fuck up, whoa. Sorry. If I just give you one shot, you will die. I'm about to die. So this is why that are blinking, because it means it's working. You can just connect this to any device, laptop, iPad, Samsung. My sister is looking at there. Can you please go to your room right now? Now guys, this is just over right now. So guys, you enjoyed the day. So listen to this music right now. So guys, bye. Thumbs up, then I bye.